buy that guy a cheeseburger. Get that guy a cheeseburger!
Oh, yeah. Here you go, man.
What's that? We gotta do it again.
Okay.
This is cooler when I do this. You should buy the guy a cheeseburger!
Oh.
You should get this guy a cheeseburger! Do it again.
Alright, that was perfect. It was so perfect it made me crack up.
I couldn't get my lines out.
You were laughing too hard. Well, I was too, so that's alright.